Coffee lovers, listen up. Our favourite drink produces a mountain of waste. In fact, in Australia's coffee capital Melbourne, we produce over 5,000 tonnes of ground coffee waste every single week. But would you believe some of this coffee waste is being used to grow mushrooms? Cykel Mushrooms grow their shrooms on urban farms in shipping containers and then cleverly sell the super fresh mushies back to the cafes who gave them the coffee grounds. But so we can all be mushroom farmers, they created these brilliant homegrown mushroom boxes. These kits grow the stunning oyster mushrooms. They have a smooth, velvety texture and they're jam-packed with vitamins B, calcium, phosphorus and iron. In fact, they're often called the vegetarian steak and they're perfect in a stir fry. Getting them growing at home is simple. Just open the grow window, cut across in the plastic and then mist the opening with water twice a day. See all that white stuff in here? That's the mycelium or mushroom roots. It's actually grown all over the coffee grounds. And now that I've added some water, it's revved up and ready to grow. And there's no need to put these babies in a dark corner. Just keep them sitting somewhere in bright light, but out of direct sunlight. And the crop will be ready to harvest in about 7 to 10 days. But as soon as you notice they aren't doubling in size, you can pick the entire crop. My favourite way to eat mushrooms is on toast. But of course, this wouldn't be hipster enough if I didn't add some miniature microgreens. And thankfully, there is a coffee waste kit for that too.